have for you flamethrowers similar to the types that were used during the Pacific War. Now, if you think somebody was brave, you've got to find somebody that's been able to stand wide open with a 70-pound couple of tanks on his back, full of highly volatile fuel, charge into the enemy and wipe him out. Now, maybe this doesn't exactly sound like a fun way to have an afternoon, but on the other hand, there was no other way to get the job done. Keep in mind that that flamethrower only had 6 to 8 seconds of available burn. The flamethrowers we're demonstrating for you today are using a combination of diesel fuel and nitrogen, and this is for safety reasons. During World War II, they typically used either gasoline or jellied gasoline, also known as napalm, combined with normal compressed air. Now, the flamethrower operator didn't necessarily always run back to the rear area to get his flamethrower refilled. He had a runner that did that for him, who brought up a filled flamethrower while covering fire for their fellow Marines.
That's what that black smoke was.
As you can see, and most of you who are close by, I'm sure you could feel the heat from that blast. I don't know that I'd ever want to be on the receiving end of that myself. However, at the time, it was one of the only ways to get the job done.
They'd be
The
hot.
tactics were refined over time and used to effectiveness as a means to get the job done as quickly and as efficiently as possible in one of the most horrific